This is Team 36. This video is for demonstration of how to deploy our system on your own instance, including how to use Ansible to install the applications and softwares we need for the program, and how to download our code from GitHub, and how to use the code to run our program. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need to use the Ansible playbook to install the softwares. The network is kind of slow, so it seems that we're gonna need to wait for some time. Okay, finally it's done. So as you can see, after running the Ansible playbook, everything we need is installed on the instance, including the Python, Java, and the CouchDB, the Docker, and the Apache service we need. So, so next step, we're going to show you how to use the bash script to set up the cluster. Okay, it's done. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to run our Twitter harvester. You see this cloud project 2 master directory is our program which is downloaded from GitHub. And then in this directory you can see there are several directories for our program. So now I'm gonna cd Twitter harvester, and our Python code is here. And then I'm gonna do Python streaming. This one is for getting tweets from the public API of Twitter, and you can use some options like dash H is for your host name, and dash P for your port, or and dash D for database name. But I'm gonna if you don't use the option, that's fine. The default option is 127.0.0.1, and the port will be 5984, and the database name will be tweet. So let's run it. Okay, the program is working. So now you see we set up some restrictions on the tweet, like we're gonna we're gonna fetch those tweets with coordinates and in Melbourne, so the rate is actually kind of slow. So now we got one tweet, and then I'm using my cell phone to tweet, make a tweet. Yeah, here. Yeah, here is the tweet I just sent. So that's it. And if you want to keep your program keep running on instance, even if you exit the access connection, you can do Control Z, and the program is stopped, and then DG program is running on the background, and then this on. Oh, typo. Yes, and you can see your program running in the background by using this ps-ef pi and Python to see your program is still running even after you exit the terminal. Okay. This we also provide our command in a bash script. You can see it in this directory, bash script. cd into bash script. Yes. So there are several recipes for doing different kind of jobs. If you don't wanna type the command yourself, you can just run those bash script. I'll show you. We run the setup cluster. We do the cluster setup and the Twitter harvester download, and then I'm going to do the web server setup for you. You can just run directory. Yes, you can use this script to set up your web server. Let's have a look. Basically, it's doing stuff like move our program in the of PHP and JavaScript and this kind of code to the var www directory and make it HTML directory, so you can see it. So I'm gonna run it now. Sorry about that, since that we had some issue on the script because of the GitHub conflicts when we are pushing. So now it's solved. Now continue to do the demo. So where are we? Okay. cd into our project directory. cd into the script directory. And then we run the server setup script. Right. Okay. So now the HTML directory in the Apache path is updated, so we can just see our website by typing the IP address into the browser. Um, 87. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is our web application. Yeah, here is a map showing our this. Yeah, this is the suburbs of Melbourne. So you click sentiment analysis. So you can see this suburb is colored into different colors according to their points of sentiment analysis. And we also do some other stuff like the income of each suburb in Melbourne and the population. And we have a chart to show you. So that's it. And you can also see the Couch DB. Yeah, here is the database we use to get tweets from Twitter API. So here is the text people say, what people say, and the coordinates of the tweets. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.